If there's one thing that us humans and ants have in common, it's a strong skill set in moving dirt. Admittedly, we've gotten to be a good bit better at it. Welcome back to another video from Lord Gizmo, where today we'll be looking at a number of cool dump trucks and graders you probably don't get to see every day. If you are lucky enough to, let us know what it's like in the comments below. And with that, get ready for an amazing and long video, full of the machines that you love to see. For over a century, Komatsu has been developing incredible machines and wondrous technologies. Its large mining engines are internationally acclaimed. That is why we chose to begin with the Komatsu HD-785-8. It's an ultra-class dump truck equipped with an 895 kilowatt diesel engine and a 60 cubic meter dump body, providing a payload capacity of 92.2 metric tons. Although this colossal beast has a top speed of 65 km per hour, Komatsu equipped it with an auto-retard speed control to ensure a safe descent. This allows the operator to set a constant downhill travel speed. Because of the wider gaps between the front wheels and the mainframe, the truck can be turned within a smaller radius. The payload meter inside the cabin lets the driver assess the payload of each hauling cycle. Belaz is a Belarusian automaker and one of the world's major producers of huge dump trucks and other heavy transport equipment for mining and construction. The Belaz 75603 and the 75710 are the most successful monstrous machines made by this company. In fact, the 75710 is the world's largest, with a payload capacity of 450 metric tons. While its smaller comrade can haul 360 tons in one go. From cab to wheels, these are packed with state-of-the-art technology. Both have 8 large-size Michelin tubeless pneumatic tires and 2 16-cylinder turbocharged diesel engines with a gross power output of up to 2,300 horsepower. They have a one-of-a-kind hydraulic system that combines the dumping, body gear, steering, and braking systems. Caterpillar was ranked number 78 on the Fortune 500 list in 2021. It is known for building incredible mining and construction equipment. Here we have the Caterpillar or Cat M24, which is one of the finest and largest motor graders on the market. It has the power to grade your land efficiently. The operator sits in the spacious cab, loaded with comforts and intuitive controls. At 535 horsepower and with a 24-foot moldboard, this grader will keep your mining machines productive, safe, and comfortable. The M24 features asset protection and performative improving technologies, including an overspeed/underspeed auto control, an intuitive steering system, Ripper auto stow, and much more. The Cat 797F is another spectacular piece of Caterpillar engineering. It's a huge dumpster with a 330 cubic yard dump box, capable of carrying a 364-ton payload. Its 4-stroke, 20-cylinder Caterpillar C175-20 diesel engine generates 2,983 kilowatts of gross power and burns 10% less fuel. From slip-resistant surfaces and guardrails to cutting-edge collision avoidance systems, the Cat 797F is packed with features designed to keep operators safe and confident on the job. It has a combo of short and medium-range radars as well as cameras that aid the operator while driving this giant along the worksite. The Zhuzhou Construction Machinery Group, or XCMG for short, was founded in 1989 by the Chinese government. Here we have one of their remarkable machines, the GR5505. This motor grader is equipped with a 7.3 by 10.7 meter mold board and a 399 kilowatt engine. Its automatic gear shifting technology detects engine speed and vehicle speed to shift the gear automatically. Its traditional 10 controllers have been replaced with 2 electric control levers, reducing driving fatigue by 70%. For fault diagnosis and remote control, different sensors are installed in the machine. Instead of a traditional chain drive, its rear axle is equipped with a gearbox, especially for grading applications. The cabin of this machine is well sealed to suppress noise. John Deere, as most of you will know, is an American icon and maker of heavy machinery. The 672GP is a motor grader, boasting a 2.57 meter mold board with exceptional balance and providing excellent performance. This 22 metric ton machine is powered by a 190 kilowatt motor with a maximum torque of 1273 Newton meters. Its 6-wheel drive ensures maximum productivity on all types of terrain. It has a unique transmission that senses the engine load and other parameters and determines the optimum time to change gears. A narrow center console and a streamlined saddle keep the blade and front tires focused. Volvo is a 94-year-old Swedish multinational manufacturing organization, currently employing 100,000 people and serving consumers in over 190 countries. The Volvo A40 FS is on display here. It's an articulated dump truck with a unique articulated suspension. This enables it to effortlessly transport 39-ton cargoes throughout the most challenging of terrains. Its fuel-efficient 6-cylinder diesel engine produces 350 horsepower and 2,500 Newton-meters of torque. Its fully automated planetary gearbox is capable of skipping gears for quick and precise gear selection. In short, it's one of the many great machines produced by Volvo. Next, we have another crowning achievement made by Volvo. Back in 2006, when Volvo introduced the C-series motor grader, they were ahead of the curve compared to their rivals. All C-series motor graders come standard with a powerful Tier 4 compliant engine that increases productivity and grading accuracy. From within the ROPS/FOPS certified cab, the operator has good sight of the mold board and all around the worksite. Volvo offers the option of a joystick or a standard steering wheel to control the graders. The simple touchscreen allows operators to customize the hydraulic response of the mold board to their individual skill level or grading application. The C-series also has an all-new braking system with 4 independent multiple wet disc brake units, crossover actuation, and accumulator backup. You made it this far, why don't you consider subscribing if you like the content? Liebherr needs no introduction because its massive engineering marvels are in use all over the world. The company emerged from World War II when its founder Hans Liebherr invented the bridge crane. Liebherr boasts its portfolio with the 282C, which is the world's biggest dumper. This large-sized truck maximizes production by hauling maximum tonnage in the shortest amount of time. Thanks to its fast cycle times and large payload capacity of 363 metric tons, this guarantees a maximum return on investment. Its acclaimed Litronic Plus drive system draws optimized power from the diesel engine to maximize performance. It's able to perform as well as it does thanks to its 3,650 horsepower engine output. The 282C can be partnered with a Liebherr R9800, which is the world's largest backhoe excavator. The Komatsu GD655-7 is a motor grader designed for smooth, powerful precision at your operator's fingertips. Its high-flow hydraulics with on-demand CLSS valves improve operator efficiency and can achieve up to a 15% increase in fuel efficiency. The main display and integrated control levers allow the operator to quickly select a predetermined slope angle. The all-new low-effort fingertip control levers provide quick response and precision for new and experienced operators alike. The torque converter with stall prevention technology makes it easier for entry-level operators. A high-performance hydraulic system has been installed to provide responsive control and smooth, constant speed. The heritage of Terex Corporation can be traced back to 1934, when the world's first off-road dump truck was developed in its workshop. In 2014, the company introduced its finest product, called the Terex TR-45. It's a rigid dump truck with a payload capacity of 45 tons and a 525 horsepower diesel engine, delivering a strong performance in a range of applications. Whether it's cement processing, large commercial construction, mining, or quarrying, this dump truck can work on almost any job site. Its heavy-duty engines are calibrated for hauling applications, resulting in high torque and rim pull. The complete drivetrain ensures high productivity on steep inclines and nasty terrain. The onboard diagnostic interfaces and easy-access service stations enable quick service intervention. For the last 49 years, the Chinese SDLG company has been manufacturing construction machinery, mining equipment, and industrial gas turbines. It has a large sharehold in Brazil's and a number of African nations' construction equipment markets. One of SDLG's heavy-hitting machines is the G9138. It's a motor grader designed for light-duty work, with a basic operating weight of 12,100 kilograms. It features a 105 kilowatt engine and a blade width of 12 feet. Every SDLG grader has a tandem ready to work. It oscillates plus or minus 15 degrees to maintain the blade level for the most satisfactory grading results. Its no-spin differential, heavy-duty bearings, and heavy-duty chain drive give excellent traction and reliability. Mack Defense is an American corporation that has been manufacturing buses, trucks, and vehicles since 1915. In fact, their big start was during World War I. Today, it has become a subsidiary of the Volvo Group, focusing on developing heavy-duty vehicles. The M917A3 is the company's most recent accomplishment. This off-road dump truck is built to withstand the most extreme situations. It has a 520 horsepower engine that produces 1,844 pound-feet of torque while using up to 2.5% less fuel. With an 18 cubic yard dump, it can carry up to 27 tons. The cab design and driving environment are designed to keep drivers comfortable, safe, and attentive throughout the day. Liugong, a Chinese multinational, is the world's largest producer of wheel loaders and the 10th largest machine manufacturer by market share. The 4180 is the company's flagship motor grader. It has a 4-meter-long, 0.6-meter-wide, 90-degree tiltable blade that can cut up to 0.68 meters deep. With its use, the operator can control all the functionalities of the blade with a single hand. Its 6-cylinder diesel engine produces 142 kilowatts and has a 6-speed power shift for maximum productivity. Despite its enormous length, it can make sharp turns within a radius of 7.2 meters. Case Construction is an American company that began manufacturing equipment way back in 1842, starting as a threshing machine company. The company also has the distinction of producing the world's first portable steam engine. The 845B is yet another masterpiece from Case. This motor grader provides the technology, longevity, and cost savings that every customer demands. It has an anti-skidding system that proportions torque while grading and an engine with 2 power curves, 150 and 173 horsepower. Of course, you can't ignore its cab, which embodies comfort, ergonomics, and visibility. The motor grader has a 12-foot blade and it can be equipped with sideways and angle displacement accessories. Who hasn't heard of Mercedes-Benz? This German company, founded in 1926, has introduced thousands of luxury vehicles that people dream about. But just like Volvo, they make a number of vehicles that aren't exactly the definition of luxury to most. The Mercedes-Benz A40 was designed to provide the construction industry with a versatile dump truck capable of combining its trailer with a dumper, cement mixer, and other attachments. This incredible truck is available in a variety of models with payload capacities ranging from 18 to 41 metric tons. Buyers can select a 6-cylinder engine with a power output varying from 175 kilowatts to 375 kilowatts. The sensors on this truck maintain a constant power output balance while climbing or descending a slope, preventing upshifts. Likewise, its side guards warn the operator of a passing object, while the cab's driver gets to feel like he is in a luxurious sofa. When we said to most people, we meant those who don't have to work in them. Hey guys, thanks for watching. We know this one was extra long, but we genuinely hope you enjoyed it. We put in a lot of time into it. If you like this video, make sure you check out one of these two. Feel free to like and subscribe, we always appreciate it. And with that, we'll see you next time.